How to fix WhatsApp status music not playing in full. So let me tell you guys, WhatsApp status music is limited to 15 seconds for photo updates, while video updates can play music for the video's full length up to 90 seconds. If your music cuts off early or fails to play correctly, it is usually due to an app bug, a media length mismatch, or a cache issues. Now to fix this issue, what you can do is check the media type limits. Just remember that photos only support up to 15 seconds of a track. If you want a longer clip, upload a longer video which should be up to 90 seconds and attach the song to match the video duration. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the WhatsApp app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap an update to get the latest version, which resolves timed out audio and sticker glitches. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are an Android device, go to your WhatsApp stories and select the clear cache button. On your iOS device, what you have to do is go to settings, then tap on general. Now tap iPhone stories. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp, or just tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for WhatsApp. Now tap upload app. Now tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap the reinstall app button, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the WhatsApp app, and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.